Ready to bring the freshness of spring into your home? Today we're going to explore some vibrant DIY ideas to make your space lively. Seasonal decor is an exciting way to keep your home feeling fresh and new. We'll dive into some creative projects including painted Easter eggs and a delightful spring wreath. But that's just the beginning. We'll also discuss how to choose the right materials, colors, and even how to care for spring flowers and plants. Stay tuned to learn how to create your own spring-inspired home decor. Spring is all about new beginnings, and what better way to celebrate than by refreshing your home decor? Let's dive into a couple of charming DIY decor ideas to add a touch of spring to your home. First up, painted Easter eggs. This is a fun and creative project that even the little ones can join in on. You'll need some eggs, acrylic paints, and your imagination. Start by blowing out the eggs and letting them dry. Once dry, let your creativity run wild. Paint them in vibrant spring colors, or go for a more muted palette, whatever suits your style. And don't worry about being a Picasso. The charm lies in the uniqueness of each egg. Next, we have the spring wreath. A delightful addition to any front door, this DIY project requires a grapevine wreath, some faux flowers, and a hot glue gun. Begin by arranging your flowers around the wreath until you find a design that you love. Once you're happy, secure the flowers with the hot glue. Feel free to mix and match different flowers and colors. Remember, spring is all about vibrancy and life. And there you have it, two simple yet effective DIY spring decor ideas that are sure to brighten up your home. Remember, the key to a successful DIY project is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Now that you have these DIY ideas, it's time to get your hands dirty and start crafting. Choosing the right materials and colors for your spring decor can be a game changer. Color plays a vital role in setting the mood. Soft pastels can evoke a serene atmosphere, while vibrant hues bring energy and life. In terms of materials, woven textures suggest a natural, earthy feel, while metals and glass can add a touch of modern elegance. When selecting materials and colors for your spring decor, consider the mood you want to create. Remember, the key to a perfect spring decor is a balance of colors and materials. Spring decor is not just for your living room. It can be incorporated into every area of your home. For your living room, think fresh flowers and pastel accents. In the kitchen, consider floral tea towels and potted herbs. Your bedroom can take on a spring feel with crisp linens and a bouquet on the bedside table. Common mistakes to avoid include overloading decor and neglecting balance. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can create a harmonious and vibrant spring decor in your home.